the voice you trusted most was not real? This is a true story from Missouri. A mom got a phone call. It looked like it came from her daughter's number. Then she heard a girl crying. "Mom, I had an accident. Please help me." The mom froze because it sounded exactly like her child. She said, "I know my child's voice. I have heard it every single day of my life. But here is the part that will shock you. Her daughter was safe at home." That voice was fake. AI copied her daughter's voice from a short video posted online. Just a few seconds of audio. That is all it took. So here is what every single person watching this needs to know right now. If anyone ever calls or messages you and says, "Send money, give me a password, share this code," or "do not tell anyone," stop, take a breath, hang up, then call that person back on the number you already have saved. And do this today. Create a secret word with your family. A word only your family knows. If someone calls and does not know that word, it is not them. But here is the other side of this story. The same AI voice technology is also doing beautiful things every single day. It gives cartoon characters their voices. It reads bedtime stories to children around the world. It teaches kids in every language on earth. And it gives back a voice to people who lost theirs. AI voice is not the enemy. It is one of the most powerful tools ever created, but every powerful tool needs good people behind it. At AI Toons, we will always be those good people. Subscribe to AI Toons. Learn it, love it, live it. See you in the next lesson.